Hi, I'm Manuela, this is Rafael and Catherine. We developed Tab, which is a environmental transportation app, and I hope you enjoy our demo.
Albert, do you know how hard it is to be one of the most successful women in the world and still not be taken seriously when I'm a bit late? No, you don't? Well, you should then. What do you mean? I don't know how to get to the meeting. What meeting, you ask? You mean the vegan restaurant with the sustainable murder we're doing and you should really know about? Well, no, I don't know how to get there. I'm not from London. Google Maps? Are you crazy? Do you not remember what the owner said to my grandma's cake? Yeah, it was a really good cake. City mapper? Do you want me to go blind? Have you seen that green? No, I have not heard of Tab. Send me the link. I better not have to sign up though. You're making an account? Good. Okay, just let us do that. What are you talking about? My trees. Sure, okay. Okay, should I have any interest in this? You waste my time. Where am I going? From your London. Alright, that is my location at least. Apple. I thought I was very clear on my distaste for green. But it has a purpose, you never explained it to me. So the most environmental choice is environmental. So you're telling me that taking a bike takes less CO2 than walking? Well, that's absolutely great, isn't it? I'm not going to take a car. I told you it's a sustainable meeting. No, walking is too long. No, I'm going to take a bike. Do you really think I sweat? You're the one who booked my surgery to get my sweat glands removed. Okay, well, it looks fairly straightforward. Can you stop blabbing about this tree? You infuriate? Okay, it is quite cool. The tree has grown. I'll give that to you. My trips, brilliant, points, whatever. How am I supposed to get there now? Steal a bike? You made a pass. Good. Well, you will not get fired today. Lucky for you. Bye.